A magnitude 4.0 earthquake rattled a forest area about 17 miles from Bodie in Mono County, east of the Sierra Nevada mountains, near the California border with Nevada on Monday, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The quake struck at around 10:13 p.m. at a depth of about 1.4 miles and was centered about 31 miles from Mammoth Lakes, approximately 30 miles from Mono Lake and 22 miles from Quailys Camp, Nevada. The quake comes after a series of earthquakes shook the California-Nevada border near the Yosemite National Park.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.